So this is how they make their fire. Yes, you can start. Susia Oti. Oh yes. Kasa. Yes, Swahili. You. Yes. Wow.
The sun is not good for fire.
Nestled in the heart of East Africa, the Maasai people are one of Kenya's most iconic and fascinating tribes. The Maasai live a semi-nomadic lifestyle deeply rooted in tradition. They move with the seasons, following grazing routes for their cattle. A way of life which has remained largely unchanged for centuries. One of the most remarkable skills is their ability to create fire using traditional methods. In a world where matchsticks and lighters are a norm, the Maasai continue to pass down the art of fire making from generation to generation. The process begins with a simple yet effective tool, a fire stick and a fireboard made of soft and dry wood. The Maasai select specific types of wood, knowing which will yield the best results. One man holds the fire stick vertically and rotates it rapidly between his hands, applying downward pressure to create friction against the fireboard. It is a labor-intensive process, but the Maasai are patient and determined. Sometimes the process does not necessarily yield the right results. Their initial attempt produced smoke, as you can see here, but no flame. Yet that didn't deter them. With unwavering focus, they will try again. For the Maasai, perseverance is as much part of fire making as it is a technique itself. Now you'll see that a lot of smoke is being yielded, but at the end of the day, there will be no fire produced. I should point out that it is very cold. It is so cold. It is like winter cold. And
Old age wisdom.
yes. So this is the second attempt, and here we will see success. As he increases the speed and pressure, we will eventually see a small glowing amber begin to emerge. You see that right there? You can see smoke. Yes, carefully they transfer the amber to a bundle of dry grass. And they will start to gently blow on it, coaxing it to life. The bundle of grass will eventually erupt into flames. You see it? We have smoke. And the bundle of grass is eventually going to erupt into flames. A triumphant moment that is met with quiet pride. The Maasai's ability to start a fire without modern tools is not just a practical skill. It is a testament to the deep understanding of their environment.
So now we can do barbecue.
Yes.
There we have it. In their semi-nomadic lifestyle, fire is essential for warmth, cooking, and warding off predators. This ancient method is passed down from generation to generation, reinforcing the importance of community and collaboration. Watching the Maasai create a fire was a humbling reminder of humanity's resourcefulness and the enduring power of tradition. While the world changes around them, the Maasai continue to honor their heritage, preserving practices that have sustained their way of life for centuries. It is a beautiful blend of resilience, skill, and culture, a flame that continues to burn bright.
Oh, okay.
This was a very beautiful trip for me. I enjoyed it thoroughly, and I do wish that I would go back again someday.
Yeah,
Thank you for watching Adventures of a Ghanaian Girl.